You're my supergirl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shiki, the fashion style lover. Welcome. So in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna show you how I make this little cute dress. Y'all know Valentine is around the corner. I'm gonna transform this dress into something cuter, something we all want to wear. We're gonna need the thread because most of the time we're gonna be serging as, like, you know, the finishing, how it looks like. So we're gonna be doing that because the fabric is really stretchy. For the dress, I have all my pieces here. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I have. So this is the back of my dress. I have the front, and this is how the front looks. So that's the V neck, and we have like short sleeve. That's it. And we also have facing. I also wanted to show you guys my new labels. Y'all know I changed my name. I changed my brand name into Vicky Shiki. I forgot to mention, for this dress we're also gonna use elastic. So for this elastic, I have two options. That's my front. We're literally working with the front now, and then I'm gonna place the facing on top and right side together. So the wrong side is facing out, and I'm also gonna pin it just to you guys see, this is my center front. So I'm gonna pin my two center front together, and there should be like a little clip notches here. It's really important to have the notches. So the notches is literally the little clip you usually put on your fabric to match them. And then I'm gonna take my elastic, I'm just gonna go around and just clip it. I'm just gonna place it as you see right now. So once I'm done doing that, this is literally what I have. I also gonna do the same thing on my back, and pretty much this is my back. That's what we have. That's the front. So now we're gonna go ahead and use my serger to serge all the pieces. So what you want to do, you want to flip it. Let me show you guys. So when you flip your facing and your front, that's literally what you have. That's the facing, and here is the front. I'm gonna serge the facing. I'm just gonna serge the bottom, and then I also gonna combine my shoulders in able to have my sleeve after. So I'm gonna combine the shoulders, and you see what I done with my neckline, right? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the same thing on my back because this is my front, and we're gonna combine the shoulders. We're gonna serge the bottom of the facing, and see you guys after. Mwah. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna combine the shoulders. So I'm going to show you guys how to easily combine the shoulders. First of all, we're going to put the right side together as this, and then the facings are facing out. And then I'm just going to place my shoulders like this. When I'm doing that, obviously, I'm going to go ahead and pin it. You really want to make sure that the center are matching up. We do the same thing on the other side. Shoulders. Go ahead and serge them together because it's just, for me, it's just easy that way. Serge my other side. we're just gonna join the side seam. So to join the side seam, that is my side seam, and then the facings are out. You just don't touch the facing for now. So we're just gonna focus like on the side seam. So I'm just gonna clip la merde, bou. Merdement complet total. C'est grave. And you want to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. What? Better not. Stop playing trick on me. Since I'm like done joining my facings, front and back, you'll see that like the shoulder is looking really clean. There's not like some fabric or anything sticking out. What we're gonna do, we are going to work with the sleeves now. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna close my sleeve. So just gonna put the two sides together as you guys see, and I'm gonna go ahead and serge it. Once I'm done serging it, this is what I have, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna flip it like this, and when we flip, this is what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the other side, and that's what I have. And then now what I'm going to do is to join my sleeve to my dress. This is my neckline where my head gonna be, and then these are my armhole. My armhole is where my arms gonna be, where my my arms gonna be. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add we're gonna go ahead and add the sleeve. So when I add the sleeve, you want to match the center where we have the seam. So you want to match the seam together with the dress. So this is what we have, and I'm just gonna place it like this just to match that part down. And you want to put the sleeve inside the dress, so you can just have the edges. It's gonna be easy to combine them when you actually do it that way. Let's just say like that. So you match all your seam, and you're also gonna go ahead and find the center sleeve to match the shoulder of your dress. So you find the center, and you just make sure you clip all your pieces, right? So you have a facing inside, you also have your actual dress. So you want to, it's gonna be 3 layers total, and you really want to make sure that you're clipping them and they're all matching. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm just joining my armhole. So now we have the sleeve on, and I'm going to flip my dress. We're making a really like simple looking Barbie dress, and I'm gonna do like a zigzag on all my hemlines. So all my edges, we're basically gonna go ahead and do the same thing. So we're gonna like fold it at like probably half an inch, and we're gonna do like a zigzag. You also not even able to see because it's just so nicely, you know, it's like nicely done and it's a clean finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on my sleeve. This is the finish. Everything looks nice. We have the shoulder, we have the neckline, and that's how my neckline looks, and it's looking pretty good. And the finishing is good. We did the zigzag, and that's pretty much how that looks. And then also the edges looks good, like the finishing. We also did like the zigzag inside. So if you ever try this at home, just make sure you tag me and let me know about your experience. That would actually be awesome. And I will say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So and if you're wondering how to get the pattern, I would recommend y'all to, you know, if you have a dress that's like the shape you want, so I would say take a dress at home that you have and then just place it on your fabric and cut it. But you should leave the seam allowance. You should leave the seam allowance and then cut it after. Bye.